Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just gonna show you a small night routine. So yeah. So Oakley will just wind down to start getting ready for bed. So yeah. So Mia loves getting her stuffed animal and blanket when she is done with her bath and she's more relaxed. So yeah. So we're just watching a little quick video of sea animals. This is like the most relaxing show for them, so they can like fall asleep and get like really sleepy, like wind down and stuff. Because it was a pretty crazy day. We went to the amusement park. Mia had lots and lots of treats. Oakley had a few treats. It was pretty crazy. The girls were pretty crazy. So, yeah. So, it's already like 7 o'clock. Just kind of crazy. It looks like it's like 9. But it's 7. So, I'll start putting Oakley down. So, yeah. So, I'll walk over to... Sorry, my door's creaking. So annoying. So, anyways. So, I already changed her and stuff. So, I'm just going to walk around her room and just try to make her a little bit more tired. So then she would, finally fall asleep. So, I will put down, the crib thing, or whatever you call it. Then I'll close it back up so she won't fall out of her bed. Then I'll check on Zara. And she has not showered yet, so I said she needs to shower before it gets really late. So, yeah. So, yeah. Honey, can you need a shower, okay? Alright, Mom, I will shower in a minute. Just going to practice my dance things. Alright, love you. Love you too. So once I check on Zara, Mia would get really tired. She wouldn't want to go to bed. Usually she would not do this, but I think she's been really tired and she's finally wound down, so I just put her down for bed. I just turn off her lights, and she likes to use the little poop light, which is kind of funny to use. So she likes using that as a little night light because, yeah, she likes it. So then I'll give her stuffies, blankets, and then she will snooze away into her little dreams. So then I will finally change the channel to something that we want to watch. Zara will get her pajamas. Where are my pajamas? Here they are. Sadly, we can't actually hold them. Just sad. So, just going to put them on the floor. Zara will hold the camera. She does that. Okay. Oh, look, it's Teddy. Teddy! Where's the kissy face? Teddy. Teddy bear. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm just going to have to shower. Be right back. So Zara will put her clothes down, start the bath shower thing. She'll get it nice into a good temperature. Nice to a good temperature. To a good temperature. So this is my first night routine with my voice. So kind of bad at it, but hopefully I can But anyways, she'll get into the bath and use my shampoo, but it's totally fine with it. And then she'll use this body wash. This is probably one of my favorite body washes I have. And of course, it's all the kids' favorite, and besides Oakley, because I do put it on Oakley, so yeah. So it takes really quick showers. So yeah. She'll get into the bathrobe. She'll take off her mask, and she just likes to brush her teeth. And I forgot to brush her teeth, so that's fun. Alright, I'm gonna put toothpaste on it and start brushing. I'm not sure what I'm gonna brush. Oh my god, that's minty. Holy moly. Now I take 2 swooshes. Okay, I'm done brushing. Ow, I bumped my head. Okay, now I'm done brushing my teeth. Put my thing bag and my toothbrush. Put my basket and get my pajamas on. Okay. Tired. Oh, I gotta brush my hair. I don't want messy hair. Perfect. Ah! Really? Come on, Teddy. What's wrong, buddy? No reason to cry, but it's okay. I'm sure you're just pretty. So Zara will be done with her bath thing, whatever she likes to do. So Teddy is really sad right now. I don't know why, but he's really sad. He loves his cuddles. So Zara will put down her headband because she does not wear her headband to bed. Then she'll just relax on the couch with me. She likes watching the game shows. So, yeah. So then I just get into my pajamas. And then Austin will too. AKA, I don't have pajamas for the dad right now. So he's just going to be wearing a bathrobe. So, yeah. So, oh my gosh. Now my freaking screen is frozen. That's why I don't like Toca. The glitches, the frozen screen. So annoying. So he will get into his pajamas. And then I will also get into something cozy. Here. Then I'll just put my glasses down. And I'll turn off this TV. Put on some relaxing music. Go downstairs, and then it's 9 o'clock. So now it's time for Zara to get to bed. So I'm just gonna turn off all the lights. Just everything light. Teddy will go to his bed. I'd fall asleep pretty quickly. And then And then I would start laying down. And please good night. Good night, Zora. Good night, Dad. Love you. Love you too. Good night, Speedy. Good night, Mom. Love you. Me too. And then, see, is there any other lights? Turn on the TV. Okay, that's alright. Try to go to bed. Turn off the lights. And Austin will shut the blinds. And then we would finally get to bed, like, straight after Zoe goes to bed, because we like to go in bed. So, yeah guys, alright, thanks for watching. Bye!